Hi View, this is Mrs. Chudy. I'm bringing you a reading lesson today. I chose one of my favorite books, the Brown Bear, What Do You See? This one was written by Bill Martin Jr. and the pictures were done by Eric Carl. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. I want you to think about what was your favorite part. I know for me, I like the goldfish. He would be my favorite part. So if you want to pause me and get a paper and a pencil to draw and write along with me, you can, or you can just watch. It's up to you. I'm going to start up here on my paper. I'm going to start with my fish. So I'm going to give him a big circle body. I'm going to give him a couple of these little pieces at the top, one here, one at the back, and then one down here at the bottom. I'm going to add another little piece here down at the back. I'm going to come right across the circle here with a little, looks like a C, almost like a letter C. I'm going to give him an eye and a mouth. And I'm going to give him one more piece here. So there's my fish. If you want, up to you, you can go ahead and give him maybe some water that he's swimming in. Maybe even some little bubbles. And now I'm going to come down here and do the writing piece of this. So on my paper, I'm going to start over here on the side. I'm going to start with a big capital letter. I'm going to start with the letter M. And then a lowercase y. What power word is that? My. I'm going to leave some finger space, so I'm going to put down my fingers, leave that 2-finger space. And I'm going to do some inventive spelling. So I'm going to say the word fish. What do you hear at the beginning? I hear the F. Say that word again. I. I hear the I. Say that word again. Fish. I hear a blend. I hear the SH blend. Shh. So I'm going to put that SH blend. My fish. Again, I'm going to give that 2-finger space. And I'm going to write another power word. Little I. Ooh, I'm sorry. Yep, go ahead with an I. And then little lowercase s. My fish is. Now this piece I'm going to leave for your extension. Usually I help you finish it, but I'm going to leave this last piece for you. You can say anything you want to about your fish. My fish is big. My fish is red. So you get to make yours any which way you want and then put the word to finish. Remember, when you're doing your sentence, you need to make sure you have that capital at the beginning, spaces between your words, and then punctuation at the end. So you can end it with a period or an exclamation point. It's up to you. For your other piece of your extension, if you want to do a little bit extra stuff at home, you could go ahead and practice your power words. Or if you wanted to practice just writing some letters, that would be good too. Any extra work at home would be great. So I miss you and I hope to see you soon, Eastview.